So, na siya nag-belong sa NCOIS. Number two, found in Domain 4. Sige, baliha. Domain 4, Curriculum and Planning. Inserted strand 4.2. Learning outcomes aligned with the learning competencies. Then, another NCOI number 3 found in Domain 4 is strand 4.3. Ani? Di ba klaro, no? Relevance and responsiveness of learning programs. So, non-observable siya, no? Pero makitaan siya sa inyo, responsiveness of the learning programs. Another is, kapila na, number 4. Strand 4.4. Professional collaboration to enrich teaching practice. Sama na, katong ang mga collab, nag-attend pa mo adto, nag-present pa mo, kay puli-puli man ta mag-present sa collab. Next, kapila na, number 5, found in Domain 5, Assessment and Reporting, Strand 5.2, Monitoring and Evaluation of Learner Progress and Achievements. So, asa na itong mga ang ato ang mga portfolios sa mga bata, ang ato mga records sa mga bata, o during the observation, kung saan ang output sa itong mga bata, ni-progress ba sila, ni-taas ba ang atong chart, o ang ato bang graph na 50-50 ba? Okay, next. Found in Domain 5, Strand 5.4. Communication of learner needs, progress, and achievement to the key stakeholders. So, katong ako ang mga learners' needs. Nag-home visitation ba ka? Nagpadala ba ka dito nga kanang kumusta na ni? Ipaani ang parents, invitation. Ipaani sa consultation nato. Next is found also in Strand 5.5. Use of assessment data to enhance teaching and learning practices and programs. So, pila na ka? NCOIS? 7. Another, number 8, NCOIS found in Domain 6, Community Linkages and Professional Engagement. Naa siya sa 6.1, Establishment of Learning Environments that are responsive to community context. So, more on the activity na atay engagement sa community. Another is Strand 6.2. Manan yung mark? Okay. Engagement of parents and the wider school community in the educative process. So, kanang naatay kanang forum, natay meeting, i-invite nato ang ato mga parents, like kanang sa ato ang immunization, katong ato ang sa high school, katong adolescents, kay mahadlok daw sila, dili makaanak. So, i-involve nato ang ato ang parents. Another NCOI found in 6.3. Professional ethics. Unsa man ta sa atong community, maayo ba tagdungog o kita ba'y noon ang dili maayong example? Another is found in 6.4, school policies and procedures. Basig Nga po tayo tarpaulin dito, dinatora po tayo itong gilabay-labayan. O, atora po itong gislab-islaban itong mga policies and guidelines. Okay. So, pila na? 11. So, let's have 5. Found in Domain 7, Personal Growth and Professional Development. Okay, 7.1, Philosophy of Teaching. Dayon, naabot siya sa 7.2, Dignity of Teaching as a Profession. So, kung naaka sa beginning teachers, so mao po din imong i-demonstrate. Demonstrate behaviors that uphold the dignity of teaching as a profession by exhibiting qualities such as caring attitude, respect, and integrity. So, kung naa ka sa proficient teacher, mao po ni ang imong ma-demonstrate adapt. Kung naa ka sa highly proficient, naa po ka din sa identify and utilize. Kung naa ka sa distinguish, act as a role model. So, mao ni ang mga endpoint nga inyong pangitaon para sa ato ang assessment. Next is 7.3, Professional Links with Colleagues. O, basig, isapod kayo mo nga, kanang magig-away po rin kasi yung mga kauban. Di po rin ka mag-collaborate. So, diri po ta. O, di po ka kabalo mo, mutabang sa imong kauban. Wala na ba taro? No teacher left behind. Okay, so, kung dinig ka nga teacher, beginning teacher ka, so diri ka seek opportunities to establish professional links with colleagues. Then, kung proficient ka, participate in professional. So, ingon na. Then, another is professional reflection and learning to improve practice. Then, the last, 16, mauna dayon ni siya professional development goal. So, mauna siya tanan. If we look at ang daghan kayo nga aton i-target sa atong invoice nga asa Domain 7, Personal Growth and Professional Development. It's all about you. It's all about us. So, umingon pa ka nga na, wala mang kuhanin. Ikaw na po'y buyuron ka. Daton kasi mong kauban niya, wala mampun ka. Ay, wala day ka na. Nabiyaan ka. May ubos na po dayon ka, no? So, that's all.